Dates and times are a common challenge to anyone working to interconnect different cloud-based applications. Many applications settle on their own default format for times and dates, and that makes conversions inevitable. For instance, one application may have a default date format of year, month, day separated by hyphens, while another may use month, day, year. Due to these differences, knowing how to handle dates and times is key in flowgramming. Several cards are available for working with dates and times. Within Okta Workflows, you can find details on how each date card works by clicking the question mark icon in the bottom left corner of all cards. Nevertheless, let's take a quick look at the different types of date cards. The Now card returns the date and time information for the moment in which the flow is executed. This card is extremely useful in working with dates and times because it provides you with a large array of date and time information in a variety of helpful formats. If you'd like to see all the formats it can provide, you can always click Test this card to quickly receive a list of all the outputs the Now card has to offer. The Add card lets you add a multiple of some unit of time, such as seconds, to a starting date and returns the resulting new date. Subtract performs a similar task, but as you might expect, subtracts the date instead. These cards handle the complex work of date calculations for you with ease. Now, here's a pro tip. You can change the name of the output field to make it easier to work with by clicking on the gear icon on the bottom right corner of the card, and then clicking Edit Card. You'll be able to edit field names to make them easier to identify. Difference also performs date calculations, but instead of adding or subtracting units of time, it returns the difference between two date objects. You can even use the Now function card to calculate the length of time between a date in your data and the current time whenever the flow runs. Date to text formats a date into a format you specify with an input text string and time zone. You use it by dragging a date object from another card, such as the Now card, into the date to text card's start field. Next, apply a format for the date output and set the correct time zone if needed. Date input fields will do their best to convert date objects into your chosen format, but you should always remember to check the in-app help if you run into any trouble. You can easily access relevant help by clicking the question mark icon at the bottom of the card. Text to date essentially performs the opposite function of date to text. It converts a text string that contains a date in a variety of common formats and uses that information to create a date object. When you find yourself working with a date string in a peculiar format, such as a date without hyphens, this is the function you want to use. The ISO card takes a date object and turns it into a date and time stamp in the ISO 8601 format. Finally, epoch returns the Unix epoch timestamp of a date object. Always remember to make sure the fields you want to use can accept date objects. Working with dates and times can be tricky, but these date and time function cards will make that process much easier.